Welcome to AKM to Beat. Today we're gonna do something quite simple. We're gonna change the oil in my Mustang, but I'm gonna do it a little bit differently because I'm gonna try out this oil pump. And the principle is that you stick a hose down in the dipstick tube and you start pumping and you pump out all the oil, and that means you don't have to get under the car and drain it out, and it's not so messy. So let's see if it works out good. This pump comes from a Swedish store called Rusta, called Jula, but you could get, I guess you could get similar pumps in other stores or eBay and stuff like that. Open up your filler just to get some air out and remove the dipstick. Make sure that everything is clean because you don't want any dirt on this one to go down in your engine, and just put it all the way down in the engine. And that's, now I don't come any further, and I guess it's just to start pumping. It seems like you have to pump a lot. There's nothing coming, and I'm not even sure if you are like all the way down. And maybe you don't. Oh, you could actually put it down a little bit more. So you have to push it. Maybe it will work better now. Okay, so now I can't get any further down. This is as deep as it gets. So let's start pumping again. Perhaps it will work better this time. Oh yeah, there's oil coming out. But it would be nice to have it on the ground. Let's see if I could get that up a little bit. Got it up a little bit. That's better. Like there's nothing coming. I'm gonna pull it up. Yeah, it kind of like puts a vacuum there. Now it all came out. So I'm gonna stick it down, all the way down again. Honestly, I'm not convinced about this. Seems like a hassle compared to just like jack it up and remove the drain plug. So let's pump it. Let's see, now we see the oil coming. So question is, will it continue to come out as long as I pump? Well, honestly, just jacking up the car, removing the drain plug, and let the oil sip out. It's not really hard. And this one is a hassle, so if you're considering getting this one, I would say don't get it because, well, at least it doesn't work on this vehicle. Perhaps it will work on any other vehicle. I gave it one more try, and this time it seems to work better. It's kind of like pouring by itself. And there's a good flow on it. I'm like up here now. But I kind of like still thinking, what's the point? Because this takes just as long as it takes to jack it up. And then you just remove the drain pan and then you go do something else. It's just like up here, it takes like a long time. Nah, even if I got this to work, it's just not worth it. It's extremely slow, and you need to pump a lot, so it's not worth it. Well, perhaps if you need to remove, if you overfilled something, like if you overfilled your transmission, if you overfilled something and you just want to get a little bit out, then it's definitely useful. But to drain a whole pan, no. I'm going to give it one more try because I opened up the filler plug, and that got me thinking maybe that was a bad idea. Maybe it needs to be on to build up like a vacuum to suck it out. So I'm going to try it one more time. Now the flow is basically the same. Yeah, anyway, this was a short review. Click over here to see more reviews, and click down here to subscribe and to take part of my other content. I release a new video once a week. Thanks for watching, and I see you soon.